Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with ChristmasLightsTraining.com, and today I wanted to show you something that we did, and I'm going to show you how I put them together in the whole 9 yards. And that is arches. These are arches that are actually bigger. Most arch people build are about 12-13 feet for the driveway. These are actually 25 feet. The base is 25 feet. And the tops of these are about 14-15 feet, and they actually are pretty cool here. Hey, but before I get going on here, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to get to 1,000. I'd appreciate it very much, so please subscribe. All right, so what I have here is I have 4 10-foot pieces of 1 inch PVC pipe. And what I did is I actually did some couplings, and then I also did some couplings like this. And what I did is I zip tied my C9 cord to my lights here. And the other thing I did is I actually zip tied this to the railing, so that would give me strength up that high. And this is on a bridge that I can't do, so I'm going to come out here, and then so I actually did another coupling so I can break these down. So you can see them down through there coming out of the church door here. This is something we did that is pretty cool, and it's one of those things we're going to see if it works. I did put a piece of string on them so that way they all, if they get rocking, they're all going to rock together. But if you can see here, they're actually pretty stable. I mean, yeah, they are bouncing a little bit, but the rope is kind of holding them. I did do unions. I would have did all the unions in the middle, but they just didn't have enough of those. So I only had 2 of those, and then the rest are screw-ins or glue-ons. I hope this helps you out on arches. If you have any questions, and like I say, these arches are about 25 feet wide on the base of it. It's 25 feet across, and so that is pretty wide. And like I say, they're about, I think they're like 12.5, 14 feet up in the air in the middle. So they're going to be pretty cool here to watch at night. We also did the whole church around the whole thing, a bunch of landscaping. I hope this helps you out. Please watch how to make extension cords right here for some more video. Great video of how to make extension cords. And if you would like to know how to make, frames around windows, check this light out, or check this video out. Thanks, and have a great day.